Hey guys, Toilets Rock, and today we will be flushing toilet paper down the toilet. Now, this does not look toilet paper because it's wet. It was just raining outside, but it's over here, the toilet paper. So we're gonna flush this first. I got more toilet paper. It's thicker this time, and we're gonna flush it. I have no idea if it got stuck at the bottom, but I'm gonna flush it. I'm gonna give it a flush. It clogged, but let's see if it unclogged. Yeah, I'm gonna unclog it. That's definitely a fail. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and see you guys next time.